rock the stage, I would say. Now let's come to the next person, and the next person we have, ladies and gentlemen, Kavita. Okay,
Yes.
Kavita, please come on the board and come on the stage. Same topic you have. Why did you start your communication skills journey? Why is it important for you? And explain how you envision your progress in the upcoming or coming days. So, one, two, three, start now. Go ahead.
Okay. So I remember the year 2024, just 1 year ago. That was the time I used to feel stuck in my life. I used to think like my life is going in a one direction only. Like I'm going for my office, coming back and doing the same thing every day. Like nothing was changing in my life. Like nothing new thing was happening in my life. So one thought came in my mind, like how can I overcome it and how can I do something better. So I thought of joining a different course and started working on myself. So I took one course and I joined one course, and that course was regarding my physical and mental capability. How can I improve it? So I joined that course, and that course was in English. I was able to understand English, so I was okay with it. But after joining the next session, I came to know that after teaching every section, she used to open breakout rooms where every participant used to talk in English. So everybody was talking in English, but I was not able to talk in front of them confidently. So I came to know that I I am a civil engineer by profession. So, being a civil engineer, I was able to understand well, but I was not able to talk confidently because I come from a very small space, Rajim Chhattisgarh, and here there is no any environment for speaking in English. So, I was not able to speak confidently in front of them. And I felt very disappointed. Like one thought came in my mind, ki Kavita, if you want to really work on yourself, then you need to work on your communication skill also. So I joined one course, and that course was regarding my English speaking. And I joined that course. I learned a lot, but still I was not able to communicate confidently. So I came across to Salman sir, and I joined his communication skill master class. Here I learned a lot. Like I learned about the para framework, storytelling method, and 18 minutes master skill. So I just got impressed with it, and I thought of joining the another level of his class, like Speak and Grow Family. After joining this session, I have seen remarkable change in my communication skill now. Like I'm able to speak confidently, and before joining his session, I was not able to talk in front of anyone. Now, so I'm able to talk in front of strangers also. So I feel like my journey has improved so much, and I can say that I'm very close of becoming the best version of myself. So if you also really want to improve your communication skills, so you can also grow by joining his course and by learning every day